drugs. Chronic ain't a cure-all. They say you could get hooked on it. Maybe it ain't for all. Maybe it ain't your call. Maybe it ain't so.
Welcome back to Cooking with Mike. Today we're going to make Krusties pancakes. Alright, with this beautiful Krusties mix right here, we need 1 cup of the OG mix. Alright, so you just pour it.
All right. That's good.
Yeah. I'm an actual.
So Connor, how long have you been cooking for?
About 2 minutes.
2 minutes is your experience?
Pretty impressive, huh?
So then, I mean, you're an expert with pancakes or what?
Of course. What the heck? Is that even a question? No, I am good at making pancakes.
I mean, yeah, like this pancake, for example, looks pretty nice right now.
It looks pretty thin, but it's okay. We like thin pancakes. It's like a crepe.
Ooh, I like crepes. Okay, what is your favorite type of breakfast food?
Cereal. Plain old cereal.
Plain old cereal?
Yep.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, that's my favorite shit.
What's your favorite type of cereal?
It's gotta be... I don't even know what it's called. Cocoa Puffs.
I'm about to say you don't know what your favorite cereal is called.
So beautiful.
Ooh. That's
Looking artwork.
That's looking crispy.
It's gotta be like perfection. That's a little.
Need more. You got 2 little pancakes on there as well.
Heck yeah. That's like it.
Let's go.
Probably take this off. Yeah, we're just gonna put it there. We're just gonna like it. It adds to the flavor. You know?
Adds to the flavor. That's...
So you have a longer video, you know? If it's on a lower temperature, you have a longer time. You get more ad.
Yes. Perfect. I love that. Okay. So I have to ask, are you a pancakes guy or a waffle guy?
That'll be waffles. Waffles are really good. They're just, you have a lot of holes to put the butter in.
Okay, that's fair enough.
So it gives more flavor.
I personally think that pancakes are better in terms of aesthetics when they're on a plate, if we're being honest here, right? Because like with waffles, for example, like, you know, you can't really have like that nice, like check out, like, for example, the like radial outline that you have on this one over here, like that looks really nice, right? But like you can't exactly get that, you know, with waffles, because they have tiny little holes in them. So yeah.
Waffles are so better though.
Go. Nice. Just keep it like that for like 10 seconds, just with you with the thumbs up. That one was pretty cool, actually. Okay, so we're talking about like Instagram posts and stuff. When's the last time you posted on Instagram, Connor?
You know, it was a while ago. I don't even know what my last Instagram post was. I think it was like last year. I haven't posted in a
The
while.
last decade you posted?
Yep.
So, Connor, we should do some photo shoots on me. Because for one thing, I need more people to take pictures of. For first of all, so I can add to my portfolio. And second of all, it will make you look super cool on your Instagram. So.
That's right.
Yeah, that's right. Okay, Chef Mike with an update here.
Even though it's like burnt, it's okay.
I mean, like, this is like either like the most like burnt pancake ever or like really beautiful at the same time. I'm not sure what I have to make of it, but like, I mean, it does look nice though. Like,
well, it is the biggest pancake, so it's pretty difficult to control.
yeah,
But it's going to be.
it's like my ego. Alright guys, let's get the butter real quick. Let's get started. Alright guys, we are now tasting the pancakes that
Yes.
Connor made. Connor's the first one to try, go ahead.
The burned flavor is really great. That's really good. I like my cooking. Okay. So with cooking pancakes, they're really not like a skill, you know. It's just like you gotta like know how to do it, you know. It's pretty easy once you read the directions on the box, because that's what I did. Okay. And then you could also look up cooking with Mike as well, because cooking with Mike he's pretty good. He's pretty good at cooking. And that's pretty much it. You just know how to cook pancakes and you're golden, you know.
What would you rate it out of 10?
Out of 10, 6.
A 6 out of 10.
Yeah, because they're burned.
So, personally, I'm gonna give these a solid 8 out of 10. Oh, shit, okay. I'm gonna give these an 8 out of 10 because basically everything on this is perfect except for the fact that it's just a bit burnt. But honestly, that's what cooking with Mike is all about, you know? We make mistakes, and that's kind of the whole point of this because we're all terrible cooks, so, you know, it works out well for us. Yeah, but, you know, everything's great on here. I think he added a little bit too much syrup. That was probably just because we were recording, so you don't think so. But, yeah, it's pretty good, not gonna lie. I don't know.